In March 2020, toilet paper usage in the world didn't go up, not even by 1%. People weren't suddenly using more of it. But supermarket shelves across the planet went empty for months. So here's the trillion-dollar question. If demand barely changed, why did supply completely collapse? The answer isn't panic buying. It's something called the bullwhip effect, and once you see it, you'll notice it everywhere. Let's simplify this with a story. Imagine 4 people in a chain: a customer, a retailer, a wholesaler, and a factory. The customer buys 1 pack of noodles a week from the retailer, but the retailer keeps a buffer, so they order 2. The wholesaler sees this and orders 4. The factory panics and orders 8. 1 customer, 1 pack, and by the time that signal reaches the factory, it's been amplified 8 times over. This is the bullwhip effect. Small ripples at the consumer end turn into massive waves at the production end, for 4 reasons. 1. Demand forecasting. Every player forecasts off the order they just received, so errors compound. 2. Order batching. Orders get batched weekly or monthly, creating artificial spikes. 3. Price fluctuations. Promotions trigger bulk buying that looks like real demand. 4. Shortage gaming. When supply is tight, buyers overorder on purpose, making the shortage worse. It's a self-fulfilling prophecy built right into the system. This isn't just a theory, it's happened at massive scale. Procter & Gamble discovered this in the 1990s while studying orders for Pampers. Retail demand was steady, but their own factory orders looked like a roller coaster. Fast forward to 2021, the global chip shortage. Automakers canceled chip orders when COVID hit. Suppliers cut production, but car demand rebounded fast. By the time reorders hit the chain, chip factories couldn't ramp up in time. The result? A shortage that cost the auto industry over $200 billion in lost revenue. So how do companies fight a problem that's baked into the structure of supply chains itself? The answer is visibility. The best supply chains share real, actual point-of-sale data across the entire chain, so the factory sees what the customer is really buying, not a distorted echo of it. Because the biggest supply chain disruptions in history didn't start with a lack of supply, they started with a lack of information. And that's a problem you can actually solve.